Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are okay. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. I am your teacher, K.M. Jakaria Alom, Senior Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Bogura. Today, I am going to take another online class for 7. Today's topic of teaching is gap filling activities, that means with clues. You should remember gap filling activities are of two kinds. One is filling the gaps with clues, and two is filling the gaps without clues. Now I am going to teach you gap filling activities with clues. This is the syllabus for class 7 in English second paper. Dear students, please look at the board and follow punctually. Now I am teaching about you on the topics. You should know, everybody of you must acquire a lot of vocabulary words for developing your skills. By gathering a lot of vocabulary words, you may prove yourself to complete the gaps with correct words. Dear students, some questions, reference questions are written on the board. Please look at the board. There are some words, that means clues. Selected words are in the box. These are the clues. These words will come to fill the gaps. Each word will be used for each gap. The mark of the question, this is the question number 3. Half. Out of 10, you will get marks half, that means 5. This is first example for practicing. Some vocabulary words or with clues are in the box to fill the gaps. Dear Akash, thank you so much for your dash invitation to your birthday dash. I think it will be really a very pleasant dash to meet your cousins dash friends, and we will enjoy dash and music. I heartily dash your invitation and will be dash in time. I am keeping fit. Convey my dash regards to your parents and dash to the youngers. Yours ever what? This is just a letter. This letter has to be filled with clues from the box. Please look at the answer carefully. There is a gap number A. Here, kind will be used. This word is in the box, kind. For your kind invitation, number A will be kind. Invitation to your birthday. Here, guest B. Party will come to fill the gap. B. I think it will be dash, that means gap C will be filled with really. A very pleasant dash. This dash will be filled with the word vacation. That means its Bengali meaning upulakho. To meet your cousins dash friends gap E and is for gap E. And we will enjoy if this gap will be filled by the word fun. And please follow and magic. I heartily gap G accept. Accept will come from the box. This is the proper or suitable word for this gap. G. Your invitation and will be present in time. I am keeping fit. Convey or regard my best regards to your parents and love to the youngers. All clues or words are in the box. At the time of filling the gaps, you must follow carefully that no word will be double. Now I am going to teach you another question number 2. There are some words are in the box 2. These are clues. My dear father, I have received your dash. This dash is A and letter will come to fill the gap. I have received your letter today. From your letter I have come to here. No will come to fill the gap B that you have wanted to know about my result. Result is in the box. No word will be used without those words. You will be happy. Here happy is present in the box. It will come to fill the gap D to learn that I have stood first. As have is the auxiliary verb for present perfect, so verb will be past participle stood. Here stood is present in the box, so stood will come to fill the gap E. I have been promoted from class 7 to 8. Here from is preposition, but is in the box as a clue words. Now I want to buy dash books of class 8. Here some is suitable to fill the gap G. Some is in the box of class 8. For this I need. Need means require. Here need in the box. It is necessary for gap A's. I need. TK means taka. The shorter form of taka is TK 500. Our classes will start very soon. Soon means shigroi, its Bengali meaning. I hope you all are well by the grace of the Almighty. Your Savior or your loving Son, Riyad. That means Riyad is a student. He has written a letter to his father. Dear students, I am going to discuss the question number 3. There are some clues in the box taking various, good, available, present, bewitches, means mukto kora, its Bengali meaning. Suitable, refreshes, enjoyable, and natural. That means here natural will be out and cause will come. Please look at the board. There are dash form of physical exercises, but every form is not dash for all. Walking is good for all. In the morning, fresh air is dash. This is dash C. So it is dash for health. It is also very E dash and F dash. It also refreshes. That means G will be dash our mind. The natural beauty bewitches witches us. By taking exercises, we can be healthy and energetic. That means strengthy. Dear students, from A to J, all are the gaps of this question number 3. This gap will be filled by following the clues of the box 3. There are various. This word has come from the box various. There are various forms of physical exercises, but every form is not suitable. Here suitable is present in the box for all. Walking is good for all. In the morning, fresh air is available. Available, its Bengali meaning পর্যাপ্ত, প্রচুর পরিমাণ. So it is this gap D will be filled with the word good. So good is used in the gap D from the box for health. It is also very dash. This dash E will be filled with the word pleasant. Pleasant is present here. And enjoyable. Here enjoyable is present. It also refreshes our mind. Refreshes, this word is in the box as a clue. The natural beauty bewitches us. By taking exercise, we can be healthy and energetic. You should know, after by, all verbs will be added with ing. Any kinds of verbs after preposition will be added ing. That means ing will be added with all verbs after all prepositions. Dear students, I am going to discuss about another question number 4. Dear students, now I am going to teach you and discuss about the question number 4. There are some clues are in the box. Entire, on, cause, but, products, country, dependent, must, failure, livelihood. These are the words are in the box, and these words will be used as a clues for this passage. Bangladesh is our birthland. It is small, dash beautiful. Here dash A. This dash will be filled with the word or clue but. but is appropriate or suitable for this word. That means but is suitable or appropriate for the gap A. It is an agricultural country. Country is present in the box as a clue. So country has come here to fill the gap. B. Dash of the people depend dash agriculture for the dash. This dash will be filled with the word here dash or gap C. C must is necessary for this gap. The people of dear student, the people depend on agriculture. Look at the board, on is present in the box. Depend, that means gap D will be filled with the preposition on. On is a kind of preposition for their livelihood. Livelihood is in the box. Please look at the board. Its Bengali meaning Jibika. Many important industries are dash. Here if dependent, please follow and look at the word dependent is necessary for the gap F on agricultural products. Here products is in the box as clue. Every year natural disasters or disasters, that means it's another word synonym calamities. Its Bengali meaning durjog are the cause of destruction. Failure of crops causes sufferings to the gap J dash people. This dash, that means entire is suitable for the gap J. Entire. Dear students, I hope you have already understood about the use of filling activities, that means with clues activities. If you would like to develop or enrich your idea or knowledge, you must acquire a lot of vocabulary words for developing your skill. I hope everybody of you must practice more and more and improve yourself and prepare yourself on the question number 3, that means filling activities with clues. Thank you.